Namaste and welcome to spicearoma.in, where food is love and religion.
Subscribe to our channel spicearoma.in by clicking on this button and press the bell icon never to miss another update.
So today we are going to make the Italian delight spaghetti in arrabbiata sauce, but with a twist. So let's check out the ingredients.
The ingredients are spaghetti 250 grams, tomatoes to puree 4 to 5, chopped onion 1, bell peppers each color 1, garlic cloves 13 to 14, Schezwan sauce 2 to 3 tablespoons, oregano 1 teaspoon, chilli flakes 1 to 2 teaspoons, grated cheese half a cup, Parmesan cheese powder optional, salt to taste, olive oil 2 to 3 tablespoons. Now we'll take the tomatoes and chop them roughly in a grinder. We'll make a puree out of it. Now the pureed tomatoes are ready. Now we'll take the pasta. I'm using spaghetti pasta. You can use any other pasta whichever you like or available. We'll put that to boil. Now we'll take an onion and chop it finely. Now we'll take a handful of garlic and put it in a mortar pestle and crush it finely. We've taken all the bell peppers and cut it lengthwise. Now we'll take a pan and put olive oil to heat. We'll heat the olive oil for around 2 minutes. When the oil is hot, we'll add the crushed garlics. And let it turn golden brown. Once they're golden brown, we'll add the onions and saute them along with the garlic and let them also turn golden brown. Once the onions are ready, we'll add the pureed tomatoes and mix it well. We'll add salt to taste. Just be careful while adding the salt because we'll add oreganos also, which will have the salt. And now is the time for the twist. The twist is Schezwan chutney. I'm using around 3 tablespoons of Schezwan chutney. I'm using a store-bought chutney. You can also find the same in a supermarket near you. We'll put all the chutney and mix it well. Now we'll add the bell peppers and mix it well. Then we'll cover it and let it cook for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, we'll check if the bell peppers are done. We want it to be crunchy, not very mushy. So the bell peppers are done. Now we'll add Parmesan cheese powder. If in case you do not find it, you can always skip this step. Now after adding the Parmesan cheese powder, mix it well. Now add oregano. The oreganos and Schezwan chutney have some salt in it, so just be careful and add your salt accordingly into the sauce. Now we'll add grated cheese. We'll keep some aside for the garnish at the end. Mix the cheese nicely. Now we'll add the spaghetti. We'll mix the spaghetti nicely. I'm using a spatula and a fork to mix it. The pasta is ready. We'll garnish the pasta with some grated cheese and a sprig of parsley. Ready to serve.
We hope that you loved our recipe. Do try these at home and let us know your suggestions and feedback in the comment box below. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Until we post our next recipe, stay healthy, stay blessed.